Hi everyone! Today I'm making a Simply Sweet Slaw. This classic side dish is quick and easy to make, and it has a sweet and tangy dressing. So let's get started. In a large bowl, add one 16-ounce package of coleslaw mix, or you can make your own with a small head of cabbage. In another bowl, add 2/3 cup of mayonnaise, a half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, a half a teaspoon of celery seed, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now whisk this together until it's well combined. Then pour the mixture over your coleslaw mix. Stir it together until everything is evenly coated. Now just chill this in the refrigerator for several hours, or preferably overnight, to let all the flavors blend together. And here it is, Simply Sweet Slaw. This is a great complement to any meal, and it's especially good as a topping on burgers. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. Today I'm making a Simply Sweet Slaw. Simply Sweet Slaw. Okay, I got it. A Simply Sweet. Okay. A Simply. No. Simply Sweet Slaw. Slaw. Oh. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's hard to say. It looks good.